Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making these beautiful crochet water bottle slings, and if you are wondering, yes, I took this video right here and I know it's amazing. Anyways, so for this project you will need a 4mm hook such as this one, and then you'll need some scissors, and then you'll need a darning or a needle, to sew in your ends, and then of course some yarn of your choice, and I am using lime green. So to begin this project off, you are going to start with a magic ring. And if you don't know how to make a magic ring, you can easily search it up on YouTube. There are a bunch of videos on how to make a magic ring. After you made the magic ring, you are going to chain 2. And for the first round, you are going to make 13 double crochets. So to make a double crochet, you will yarn over into the hoop, pull the string through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then keep on doing that 12 more times. And I will meet you at the end of this round. Now we are going to pull the string to close the magic ring, and we are going to slip stitch into the first chain to close this off. After the slip stitch, we are going to chain 2 to begin the next round. So for round 2, we are going to be inserting 2 double crochets into each stitch. So you should end up with 26 double crochets in total by the end of this. I am going to make my last double crochet for round 2, and then I'm going to close it off by inserting a slip stitch into the first double crochet. For round 3, we are going to chain 2, and then we are going to make a double crochet in the back loop only. By the back loop, I mean the loop that is furthest from you. So you're going to yarn over and insert that double crochet in the back loop, and you're going to continue to do this all the way around until you've reached 26 stitches. For the end of round 3, I'm going to finish off my last double crochet and then slip stitch into the very first double crochet. For round 4, we are going to chain 2, and then we are going to flip our project completely inside out, just like I am right here. You'll know because your tail end, it will be on the inside, just like that. Next, we are going to make 26 more double crochets around. So just keep on going around and I will meet you at the end. For the end of row 4, we are going to make our last double crochet and then slip stitch into our first double crochet of that row. For round 5, you will chain 2 and make a double crochet in that same chain, and then you are going to chain 1, skip one and make a double crochet in the third stitch. And then you are going to chain one, skip one, and insert into the fifth stitch. And you're going to repeat those steps of chaining one, skip one, and entering a double crochet stitch. For the end of round 5, I'm going to make my last double crochet and chain one, and then I'm going to slip stitch into the first double crochet that I made. For row 6, we are going to chain 2 and make a double crochet in the same stitch. And then we will chain 1 and make a double crochet on the last row's double crochet. And we're going to repeat that by chaining 1 and then inserting a double crochet on the last row's double crochet, chain 1 and repeat. So we are on row 6 right now, and we are going to continue to do this pattern until round 13. So I will meet you at the end of round 13. Okay, so I'm making the last double crochet and chain 1 of round 13 right here, and then the slip stitch into the first double crochet. And then we will start on row 14. So you just, for row 14, you're going to chain 1 and make a single crochet stitch. And you're going to do that all the way around for this whole round. So you're going to go and make 26 single crochet stitches. So we are making our last single crochet right here, and then we're gonna finish it off with a slip stitch and then chain 1 for round 15, and we're going to make another row of single crochets all the way around until we have 26. Now it is time to make the sling part of the water bottle holder. So I am chaining about 140 to 150. If you're using cotton yarn, it is more durable, so you could do up to 160 to 170, but the length of this is up to you. Once you've made however long you want your chain to be, you are going to count around to the 15th stitch and make a slip stitch into the 15th stitch. And then after you do that, you are going to make another slip stitch in the 14th stitch. And then you are going to make sure that your strings are straight and they're lined up the right way. This is very important so that your straps don't get twisted. And then you are going to single crochet all the way back down the chain. So I am making my last couple single crochets for this strap right here, and then after I finish this one off, I'm going to make a slip stitch right next to the chain that I started. So, and then chain 1, and then I will be done, pull my string through, and then we're gonna get scissors and cut the string For the rest of this, I'm just going to take my needle and thread my yarn through, and then I'm just going to weave in my ends at this point. You can weave them in however you like, but I like to just go back and forth the top edge right there and weave it in. And don't forget to weave in your ends from the bottom string that we started with. So this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if there's any other things that you'd like to see. Bye!